Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ronnie East Point. Today we shall discuss about general studies related to India's biggest, longest, largest. So the topic is too much interesting. Don't skip any portion of this video. This is your humble request. So let's start this episode. What is India's highest honor? The Bharat Ratna is India's highest civilian honor. It is also known as Gem of India or Jewel of India. What is the name of the highest airport in India? Kusok Bakula Rinpoche Airport is the highest airport in India. It is located in the southwest of Leh in the district Jammu Kashmir. Which is the busiest airport in India? Indira Gandhi International Airport is the busiest airport in India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai is the second busiest airport in India. What is the name of the largest barrage in India? The largest barrage in India is the Tehri Dam. It is located on the Bhagirathi River in the state of Uttarakhand. What is the name of the largest sea beach in India? The largest sea beach in India is Marina Beach in Chennai. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. Which is the oldest iron bridge in India? The oldest iron bridge in India is Howrah Bridge. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Bhupen Hazarika Setu. It is also known as Dhola Sadia Bridge. Is the longest bridge in India. It is spanning over 9.15 km, built across the Lohit River, which is the tributary river of Brahmaputra. Which is the busiest bridge in India? Howrah Bridge in Kolkata is the busiest bridge in India. Which is the longest sea bridge in India? Atal Setu is the longest sea bridge in India. It is a 6-lane bridge with about 16.5 km of length over sea and about 5.5 km of length on land. Which is the largest residential house in India? Lakhi Vilas Palace, which is owned by the Gaikwad of Baroda, is the largest private residence in India. Which is the largest canal in India? Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in India. It is approximately 650 km long and flows across Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Which is the first women college in India? Bethune College is the first women college in India. Which is the first medical college in India? Calcutta Medical College in West Bengal is a public medical college. Is the first medical college in India. Which is the highest dam in India? The Tehri Dam, it is located in the state of Uttarakhand, is the highest dam in India with a height of 260.5 meters. Which is the longest dam in India? The Hirakund Dam is the longest dam in India with a total length of 25.79 kilometers. The Hirakund Dam is situated on the river Mahanadi. Which is the largest delta in India? Sundarban Delta is the largest delta in India. Which was the first Indian vocal film? Alam Ara is the first talkie movie made in India. It was directed by Ardeshir Irani. Alam Ara was released on 14th March 1931. Which is the largest gate in India? The largest gate in India is Buland Darwaja. It is located in Fatehpur Sikri near Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. The Buland Darwaja was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1601 to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. What is the name of the largest glacier in India? Siachen Glacier is known to be the largest glacier in India. It is found in the Himalayan region. Siachen is 75 km long. Which is the largest hydroelectric power station in India? The Koyna hydroelectric project is the largest hydroelectric power plant in India. Which is the largest lake in India? The largest lake in India is Bhimbanath Lake in Kerala. Which is the India's largest inland saline lake? Sambar Salt Lake is India's largest inland saline lake. Which is the biggest freshwater lake in India? The biggest freshwater lake in India is Ular Lake. Which is the deepest lake in India? Manasbal Lake is the deepest lake in India. Which is the tallest monument in India? The tallest statue or monument in India is the Statue of Unity, which is about 182 meters tall and is located near the Narmada Dam in Gujarat in India. Which is the largest museum in India? The largest museum is the Indian Museum. It is located in Kolkata. What is the first newspaper of India? The first newspaper of India is Hickey's Bengal Gazette. It was published in Calcutta in 1780. What is the largest plateau in India? The Deccan Plateau is India's highest plateau. When did the first railway route start in India? On 16th April 1853, the first passenger train ran between Boribandar and Thane, a distance of 34 kilometers. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? The Bogibeel Bridge is the longest railway bridge in India. It is 4,940 meters long on the Brahmaputra River in Assam. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga is known as the longest river in India. It is originated from Gangotri Glacier. The overall length of the Ganga river is considered to be 255 kilometers. Which is the largest tributary of Ganga? The Jamuna River is the largest tributary of Ganga.